We had a question for you. Oh, here we go.
Okay.
Because John has been there, has been at Kawasaki for so long. Jaime wrote, "What is John's favorite Cowie model of all time? If you were to pick one, what would be your favorite?" It's going to be the Super Chicken, isn't it?
You know what? It's I've had a lot of fun on Super Chickens. And you know what was always interesting about Super Chicken? I'll answer this 1 second. But the Super Chicken, when we would do the Miami Boat Show, we would sell so many of the SC models because they were using them. People were using them to go from house to house. You know, the husband and wife could hop on it. They're going up the canal and easier to get around than the car and everything. We would sell so many of them at the Miami Boat Show.
Oh,
okay,
get out of here. That's funny.
You know, for my favorite, it would have to be one of the stand-ups.
Yeah? Which one?
I still enjoy them. Probably the 800.
Ah, yes! That's mine too.
I would have to say
stand-up is 800.
I would have to say that would be it. And I really enjoy, like Kevin, you know, and I've done so many long distance rides. We're getting ready to do 120 miles, you and I are, in a couple of weeks and everything. I really enjoy that. Obviously, can't do that really on the stand-ups and everything. It's just not feasible. But I like them all. I can find something fun about it all because I get asked all the time, so which motorcycle or which side-by-side do I like the best, you know? And you know what? I like a bunch of them. It depends on what I want to do that day. So, like, I would need a garage as big as this place here to have everything that I want. And, you know, when they talk about ATV, and I like our Brute Force 750, you know, and it's more of a utility quad, but we ride it more like a sport quad. But there's so many, and on the motorcycle end, you know, everybody says, "Oh, do you want, you know, one of the H2s or something like that?" You know, I like them all. I can find something fun to do with each and every one of them. And that's not just a BS deal asking, you know, but it's my true feelings and everything. But I'd love the 800 stand up.
Yeah. Well, and to your point, you're exactly right. It's like, well, hey, listen, I don't need, you know, I don't need a sledgehammer to hammer in a nail. I don't, you know, I want all the tools at my disposal, but I don't need the same tool every day. So it's like, hey, today I'm going to go ride just around some buoys at Body Beach. Well, I'm going to do it on an 800 because that one's fun and flickable. But hey, I want to go do a long distance ride with some friends and put a cargo rack on the back. Well, okay, maybe a naturally aspirated LX is going to be it. And then it's like, oh, hey, listen, I want to do a vintage ride. Okay, well, I want to get on a STXR or whatever. Yeah. So it's hard. It's really hard to pick your favorite kid out of all of them.
You know, you had Mark Gomez on a week or so ago. And you know what to me is fun is like him and his wife can do anything on skis or whatever, you know?
Yeah.
But you know what? I went out there for a media ride last fall. And we had fun on just sit downs and everything. But watching those two and the other people, there was a couple couples, you know? And then it was me and Katamori just riding and Bobby. And, you know, just seeing them have fun and, you know, knowing they ride so many different skis as I would too. And I think that's probably, I would say, with a large portion of your readership and also viewership is everybody has a little bit of everything.
Right.
They may have a sit down, they may have a stand up, they may, you know, in whatever day it is, you know, they may bounce around. Like our product manager for Four Wheel here, he's really big on stand ups, you know, and he goes down to San Diego on Saturdays and rides because his wife lets him on Saturdays. But no, it's, you know, I think there's so many different ones, and I think that's how I'd answer that.
No, that's fine. That's great. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.